My name is Adam Sartwell, and I'll be presenting a class at the 2023 National Guild of Hypnotists Convention. This educational conference will take place in Marlborough, Massachusetts from August 11th through to the 13th. I'll present my hour-long class on Sunday called Rituals and Routines to Support Work with Clients, giving clients actions beyond hypnosis to support their goals and achieve greater success. And in my class, you will learn about ways to help your clients get more from your sessions and to empower themselves to achieve their goals. Every time I come to the convention, I am grateful for the opportunity to learn from excellent presenters and grow into an even greater hypnotist. I feel inspired by the event when I return back to my practice, which is very valuable to me. I hope that you feel that way too, and I'll see you at the NGH convention.